This is Hugo, and I am recording a video on Easter. So today is Easter, and I just got all my Easter toys. As you can see, it's Easter because, yeah. And for Easter, I got a bunch of Heroes Combats. As you can see, I showed you Portal. I haven't seen these before, but they look really cool with all the guns and stuff. They have powers on the back, as you can see. They look pretty awesome, and this is just my Heroes chest where I keep all the good things. Anyway, so this is an unboxing channel. If you have just watched this video, and I'm not the best YouTuber ever, so I don't really have that much of good stuff because I'm not really rich. Because I have to ask my mum and dad to do this kind of things. It's been a minute. I've been talking about this. Yeah, I'm just recording this on my iPad and then uploading it to YouTube. So I know I'm gonna get some dislikes, but be honest. If you don't like it, you don't like it, and if you do like it, do like it. Yeah. It would be great if you subscribe. I will do a 3 million, like a celebration for 1 million subs, and boxing something really big. That's what I'm gonna do for 1 million subs. Anyway, so what we're gonna do? I'm gonna do Portal first because I showed you Portal. Here's a good look at Portal. Yes, he's got an axe and a bazooka. Yeah, so we're just going to unbox him. I like to pause the video and then reopen it after I've got the characters out the box. So I'm going to do that, and I'll see you when I've unboxed this guy. Yeah, this happens. Anyway, so I'm back with the unboxing of Portal. This is Portal unboxed. His head's a bit fiddly. These guys' heads are a bit fiddly, I think. Don't know, I haven't checked. So this character's got a bazooka. I think that's an RPG, correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, he's got an RPG. It looks like something in here, I don't know. He's holding his RPG. Anyway, so that's his RPG, and then he's also got an axe. Hold on, I think I can do this. Nope, he's arms off. No, I ain't putting on arms like other characters. Just look at it. His other arm fell off, holding the damn bazooka. This video was a wreck. I don't know how to hold it. I'm not doing a live stream until I'm actually quite good at YouTubing. I do it more often because I only do it sometimes. Last Easter I did a video on my plans with the zombies toys. But here's the catch. When I was uploading this, I haven't uploaded any videos. No videos have been uploaded onto YouTube. So I'm going to ask my dad today to get them all on YouTube. Hopefully you find some. And subscribe, like, or dislike. And then he's got his little axe. I don't know whether that's an axe. How does he hold this axe? It's so thick. Thin. The axe is so thin. Ah! Okay, that's just Portal. His axe is too thin for him to hold it. So we're just gonna put him. What should I put him? It's gonna shove him to a side. Anyway, so next we're going to do next we're gonna do Bolt. As you can see on the back, he is a bit different. So is all the other characters, to be honest. All the characters are a bit broken because, like, I don't know. Yeah, I forgot. Anyway, I'm gonna pause the video and then catch you back when I'm done. Anyway, so I'm back and this is Bo. This is Bo outside the box. He's got this little thing on his sword that was in his hand, so I thought I'd put it in there. And so I used it to, like, so you could use it, because I don't think you can use it outside the box. Anyway, so this is Bolt. He's got a sword. As you can see, he's got a sword. That's good, that's good. And he's got a... I have no idea what type of gun that is. It looks like a sniper. A sniper looks.